Practical accounting, the better way to learn.
Hello and welcome back. Now it's time to apply what we learned in the previous module about cost, volume, profit analysis and take on some very important issues.
Cost, volume, profit applied, John.
Yeah, so it's applied, and there's a lot of meat on that bone. I listened to it, and you're just gonna have to pay really close attention, take small bites, and but just remember that it does sound like a lot, but if you understand the elements, I think the elements of cost, volume, profit will really help you in getting through this process. So I think if we pay attention to this, you'll find that it's easily digestible once you get into it. And I'll be back to help you. I think we're gonna go have some cost, volume, profit for lunch. I'll see you later.
Let's take a look at the overview. These are the key issues. And remember, solutions and terminology are in blue. Cost, volume, profit is a powerful tool for single products. However, most organizations sell multiple products and services. So using the contribution margin, the weighted average contribution margin, an analysis called sales mix, the relative percentage of products sold, can handle this problem and apply this powerful tool. The sales mix will be the next module. For this one, there's an example, a practice, and a solution, and extra forms available. The next issue is, what is the impact of changes to volume, pricing, variable cost per unit, and total fixed cost? This is commonly known as sensitivity analysis or what-if analysis. So we can handle sensitivity analysis with this by returning to our one method and one graph, and then working specific examples of how each of these variables change, including multiple ones. And then again, there's a practice for you with different numbers and the solution below. The third subject is absorption versus variable costing. Now, I'll tell you, most textbooks make a real mess of this. We have a simple, straightforward approach, a simplified approach where we review what we've talked about before, the difference between absorption and variable costing with the pizza shop example. And then over on the right, we'll show you what happens when inventory levels change. It's a very straightforward analysis.
Look, I learned something. This follows the bridge formula, and we keep it going. So if you like this, if you're excited as I am about what's presented in here, there's a lot of meat on this bone. I said that in the beginning. I'm not going to lie to you folks. What I want you to do is check it out.
You can get this Excel workbook and a whole lot more
Stuff at practicalaccounting.com.
See you there.